Alright guys, Yak Maniacs, we're back.
Jay!
I went on to Google Maps and Justin and I were looking for somewhere to fish today. And, wow, it's hard to see. But I just looked around and I saw these two lakes. We couldn't get to that one either because it's surrounded by a fence. But this one is a public lake and it's called County Farm Lake or something. We got here parked and it's technically Google Maps challenge. Right, Jay?
Sure.
So we are at a new pond.
Thanks to Google Maps.
Yes, Google Maps.
Google Maps is your friend.
Yeah,
it's my friend, because we don't know any fishing spots outside of like our 5.
Exactly, yeah. It's like next to a bunch of like county offices and whatever. So you decided to come over here, give it a look. And it looks pretty juicy. I haven't seen any life yet. Actually, that's a lie. I've seen a bluegill. So we're gonna try to catch at least one fish out of this pond. You might have to move, go find another spot. But if you catch a fish, you'll see us. You don't. See, there's bluegill right there.
Bluegills.
You won't be able to see that. Alright, we'll be back.
Jay!
Can't believe I just set that hook one-handed. I set that hook one-handed. Wow. Ned rig can't do you wrong. What a beautiful fish. Alright, I said about every fish. This one's nice. Alright. See you go. That was a one-handed hook set. Wow. He tore up this freaking Ned rig. Like, look at it. He wanted it. He was in. He said freaking no balls. Jay, I missed it. Big fish. We'll just leave that out there. I'm gonna stay right here until you come back.
I'm probably gonna actually stay over there.
Dude! I have fish on. Fish on. Yes, fish on. Oh! Get the freaking camera.
It's a nice one. Alright. We found the culprit.
He's been causing the damage.
Is your other rod out?
Yeah. But like, dude. Bucket mouth right there. Woo! Yeah, I
want to touch it.
Out.
I haven't touched the fish today.
I casted it out there and I just let it sit for a few minutes. I don't even know why it would bite something that was just sitting there for so long. But he ate it. He wanted it.
Oh yeah, I caught this line.
Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish.
Oh my god. What the Dude, I can't believe that worked. What?
Get that baby in.
It's a nice one. Why does that work?
Let me get the camera, bro.
Why does that work? Why does that work? Dude, this guy's a football. Look at him. This is weird, but we are dead sticking just random baits in the water, hoping for a fish to pick it up. And this is the second one today. We're like catfishing. Like,
Basically.
like throw a bait out and leave it. And we've caught 2 bass doing that. What? And they're good fish too. This is like 2.5 maybe. What the heck? There's one more look. Look at that. He's a nice. Oh, ow. There you go. Bye bye. Graceful release. Graceful releases only.
Fist bump.
What the hell? What? I'm so confused. I am genuinely so confused.
So like, we just casted it out there and we just let it sit.
We're gonna show you what we're doing. This is all we're doing today, folks. Apparently this works.
Fix the
Yeah,
worm.
Okay, so this is all we're doing. There's a little, what? Maybe a
Ribbon tail.
quarter ounce, like a 1/3 ounce jig head with a little ribbon tail worm. This is all we did.
Hey Justin, a 1/3 ounce is bigger than a 1/4 ounce.
I meant to say a 3/8 ounce, which is a little bit bigger than a 1/4 ounce. But who cares what the size of jig head this is, okay? We're just doing this, just casting it out, and that's it. And we just let it sit. And we just saw the line go, zoop,
And then Justin picked it up.
and I'm like, why is this working? And go catch another one like that. That's weird. Thanks.
Yep. That was an awful cast. I'm gonna fish it though. It's not too hot.
Fish.
Nice.
On the chatterbait.
Nice. Hold up. Get him in. You need a net job? Hand job? Get him in.
Whip. Yes! On the chatterbait. It's another football. Look at this thing. It's another football. Look at his nose.
Messed up.
Look at him.
Oh my.
Look at that.
That is a messed
That is
up
a
nose.
weird bass. I feel bad for catching you now. But here we go, my second fish of the day. But here we go. Another maybe 2-pounder. Smack the chatterbait. Of course, I'm not recording it, but it's alright. I don't care. I'm happy.
Hey, you need another fist.
Boom. I'm not kissing this one, but
Might have a little
Oh.
herpes or something.
can't really reach. Oh, wait. Wow, you can still see her. Let's go. Nice white Z-Man chatterbait with a little 3.75 inch white with a little sparkle on top, rage tail. Anyways, I just cast it out, reeling it in, trying to imitate the bait fish that I'm seeing like jump around all over the place and got crushed. So, boom.
Alright, the day is over. We caught some nice bass. And you know what? We're pretty happy with our performance, right?
Yeah, I mean, okay, precursor to this. I've, at a Wild River trip, caught nothing. I went fishing like a few days after, we might post it on Instagram, of me probably losing my biggest bass in a long time.
Go.
No. What happened? And I felt if I wasn't catching a fish today, I was retiring, so. But I'm not, so I'm happy.
We caught some nice fish. I have to say, not the most like technical way of
Today
catching
doesn't
fish.
make sense.
It didn't make any
Fish
sense.
doesn't make sense.
No sense at all. But we had everything like came out perfectly planned for us. We had a storm front, we had wind-blown banks, we had, what else do we have, Justin? It just, everything like worked out perfect, but the lures just didn't make any sense.
It was just the methods of us catching them. We were dead sticking stuff, just like letting it go.
And like, look, there's even fish jumping right there. Like, just
there's stuff going on all over the place, and we
like lures just didn't make any sense. I mean, Justin caught one on a
caught one on a lure
chatterbait.
that makes sense. I caught one on the chatterbait that I had to lose because that's just how life goes. It's not fishing without losing the bait you catch all the good fish on.
So
But
we're gonna call it quits now. I have to go to work. So we will see you guys next time. Yak Maniacs out.